If you've been wanting a smartwatch that looks great, tracks your health, and doesn't cost a fortune, this one might be exactly what you're looking for. I've been testing out the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, and honestly, for the price, it really surprised me. Right now it's on sale for around $150, about 40% off the regular price. And this isn't just some basic tracker. It's got that classic round design that looks and feels premium on the wrist, super lightweight, and the AMOLED display is bright and sharp, even outdoors. What I really like is how smooth everything feels. It pairs seamlessly with Android phones, especially if you already use a Samsung device. I can check messages, take calls, and control music without even pulling out my phone. The wellness features are also surprisingly solid. Heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and even body composition measurements, which you usually only see on more expensive models. Battery life has been solid for me, around 2 days on a single charge with regular use. And it charges up pretty quickly too. Another thing I really appreciate is that you can actually choose between different versions. The watch comes in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm, so whether you prefer something more compact or a bigger display, there's a fit for you. Plus, you can pick between a standard Bluetooth model or go for the LTE version if you want to stay connected without needing your phone. Of course, it's not perfect. If you're using an iPhone, some features are limited. And while the battery is good, it's not the longest out there. Heavy users might need to charge daily. Also, the strap feels fine, but it's nothing special. I'd probably upgrade it for comfort or style. Overall, I'd give the Galaxy Watch 7 a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's a great mix of premium features and a friendly price tag. If you're looking for your first smartwatch or just want a solid upgrade without overspending, this is a really smart pick. You can check it out for yourself. I've dropped the link in the description.